Hey folks, check it out. We're back with a 2011 Dodge Nitro Heat Edition. This vehicle is ready to go. It's a one-owner vehicle and it has every piece of documented service done to it available for you to view. All scheduled oil changes have been performed on this at the dealer. It's loaded. These are super nice pieces. Great in the snow. This is a 4.0 liter V6 motor with the big 20-inch chrome wheels. Vehicle has a factory sunroof, switch off 4x4, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, all the bells, whistles, and buttons. Only 80K on this vehicle. Guaranteed credit approval, you guessed it. This vehicle is going to be a $795 starting down payment. What do I need to get to finance? I need a couple paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, a big old smile, and 45 minutes of your time. And you can roll in this heat for $795 starting. AskCleveland.com.